Okay, today I'm going to be talking about the Dream Act. We expect a bird to fly without wings. The nature tells us, a bird has wings and they can fly. Every year, about 60,000 children of illegal immigrants graduate from high school, and they find themselves trying to fly without wings. They don't have a legal status here to fulfill their dreams. I'm going to be talking about three main points today. I'm going to explain to you what the Dream Act is, the pros and the cons about the Dream Act, and why you as my audience should support it. Okay, what is the Dream Act? The Dream Act stands for Development, Relief, and Education for Alien Minors Act. It would enable illegal immigrants who illegally entered the United States to serve in the military and to attend college in order to gain their citizenship. These people, they don't have to have any criminal records. I mean, they shouldn't have any criminal records. They need to have a high school diploma and have spent at least 5 consecutive years living here in the United States. It was first introduced by Senator Orrin Hatch in 2001, and these young people who would go into the Dream Act have to meet certain criteria, and that is, like I said, the 5 years of residency here, and commit to serve in the military or to attend college for at least 2 years. And also children who arrive after the age of 16, they are not eligible, or those that have reached age 30. Neither will delinquents. So if the Dream Act will pass, it will give them 6 years probatory period, after which they're just gonna have like a permission to be here and to go to college. And after the 6 years, they can become residents, legal residents, and after that go for their citizenship. Even though thousands of students will benefit from the Dream Act, there was still debating whether to pass it or not to pass it. So I'm going to tell you the two faces about this, people who support it and people who oppose to the Dream Act. Those who support the Dream Act say that these people, these young people they will be paying taxes and they will be making contributions to the nation as citizens and professionals. They also say, that they were brought here by their parents when they didn't have they didn't make that decision to be here. They were brought here, most of them when they were young. They didn't have that yet. The opponents, on the other hand, they said that passing this Dream Act would increase the illegal immigration and also make things worse for immigrants, with the passing laws, and also said that it will be costly to the nation, and because of the benefits that they will get, if the Dream Act will pass, they will be eligible for grants and scholarships. So, but they don't consider that these people are going to be educated and they're going to be better prepared for the military. So why should you support the Dream Act? The Dream Act, like I said, it will allow these young people to fulfill dreams. I'm going to tell you about Maria Gabriela Pacheco. She was a young lady that was elected the state president of Florida Junior and Community College Student Government Association. She's working towards her bachelor's she could work as a teacher now, but she can't because she doesn't have a legal status here. So, like her, there's many young people, teachers, nurses, and other professionals who could help the nation. You know, there's a high demand, but they can't. Even though they know the language, they know the culture, they cannot do anything. They can't work on those areas because of their legal status. And many of them also face deportation. So, on conclusion, I'll say now we're faced with a choice to either support the DREAM Act and give them a chance, or to leave them in the limbo. So, now, Eduardo Padron said in one of his articles that colleges can begin this movement and the states can enact their own legislative versions, but the legal status of these young people will ultimately require federal solution. So now the future of these people is on our hands, the congressmen, the federal legislators, and the general population. So I'll urge all of you here as my audience to visit this website called thedreamactivist.org, where you're going to find information on how to support this DREAM Act. So I'm gonna just encourage you to do that. Thank you.